Receptors are macromolecules that are located on the surface of a cell's outer membrane or inside the cytoplasm of a cell that responds to a stimulus and either activates or deactivates a response. Here we have an example of two cells. This cell has the receptors on the outside of the cell membrane, and this cell has the receptors in the inside in the cytoplasm of the cell. Here we have drug molecules that specifically bind to their unique receptor, initiating a response.
This is an example of a cell that has an agonist response. The drug is acting as an agonist. It bound to the receptor. It's activating it. An example could be when a person is having an asthma attack and they use their albuterol inhaler. It binds to the beta-2 receptors, causing bronchodilation. In this cell, this is an example of an antagonist. You have your drug molecule that's going to bind to its receptor, thereby deactivating the cell. An example of an antagonist could be whenever a person takes an antihistamine, the antihistamine binds to the receptor, blocking histamine from binding, and therefore stops the allergic response.
Furthermore, there are two more types of antagonistic relationships. Competitive antagonism occurs when an antagonist binds to a receptor, preventing the binding of an agonist molecule. Non-competitive antagonism occurs when an antagonist and an agonist simultaneously bind to the same receptors, causing a weakened agonistic response from the target cell.